So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to add email on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now let's open it. And this is the home page of your WhatsApp. Now you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on settings. Then you can simply see the option of verify with email and add email. So tap on add email. Now choose a email. Then tap on continue and tap on next and wait until it get verified. Then again tap on email which you want to link in. Then tap on continue as ... Then tap on continue and your email is successfully verified. Now see, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.